This week's mental health tips are about premarital counseling. What is it and why should I get it? Hi, I'm Angela. I have a husband with bipolar II disorder, my kids have ADHD, and I myself have struggled with depression. You're not alone. This week's mental health tips are about premarital counseling. What is it and why should I get it? So you've fallen in love and taken that big leap of commitment and you're engaged. Now comes the wedding planning. Did you know that the average cost of a wedding in the US is $35,000? Not that it needs to be that expensive, but financial stresses and wedding concerns can often distract a couple from what's really important, which is building the foundation of their relationship. So premarital counseling, what is it? It's a type of therapy that really helps couples to prepare for their marriage. We've all heard the Benjamin Franklin quote, "By failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail." No one starts out a marriage wanting to fail, but the odds are stacked against us if we're naive enough to believe that we won't need to work on our relationship in order to make it thrive. Premarital counseling sets the groundwork for a more stable and satisfying relationship in the long term. So why should we get it? According to doctors John and Julie Gottman, the average couple waits 6 years before seeking help for marital problems. That's 2,190 days of struggle. On top of that, all marriages that do end in divorce will end in the first 7 years. So those first years are pretty important. The preparation of premarital counseling isn't just about going through some sessions and filling out an assessment. It's about preparing your heart to receive instruction and to be open to transformation through the marriage relationship. So let's not ignore what it says in Proverbs 19:20. Get all the advice and instruction that you can so that you will be wise the rest of your life. We all need wisdom in our marriages, from before they start and all the way through. So what are your thoughts on premarital counseling? Comment below, I'd love to hear from you. And don't miss next week's video on what you can expect in premarital counseling. Be sure to check out the great resources in the notes below that will show you how to connect with premarital counseling tools and counselors. And a big thank you to the counselors Dan Bates, Gil Stewart, and Dr. Kristen White for consulting with me on this series, along with His Heart Foundation for supporting this channel. If you want more in-depth mental health information for you and those you love, check out mentalhealth.academy today.